Cartone, explainer plus mild sarcasm. Ever wonder how your phone always knows where you are, even when you don't? Let's talk about GPS. And yes, it's more than just recalculating. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It uses satellites orbiting Earth to triangulate your location. Even when you're in your car ignoring the turn left now instruction. There are 30 plus satellites up there helping you not get lost, and still you somehow end up in the wrong Taco Bell. So yeah, it's rocket science, literally. Like this video, or your GPS might send you into a lake next time.